I am Karla Dennis. It is a pleasure to be here with you guys this evening. I am the CEO of Karla Dennis & Associates, Inc. We are a full-service tax preparation and accounting firm. I believe that education, knowledge is power, and with that, you guys know better, you can do better, right?
I enjoyed the event very much because it was very helpful and very informative in the field of real estate which I am in.
The thing that I most enjoyed about the event was they actually gave information that was for a first-time person looking to invest or even a veteran.
One of your biggest concerns that you have is being able to make money at your property. And we've already established that the rents are at an all-time high, right? And so one of the things that are as a killer is vacancy.
I am in real estate, but despite of that, I learned a lot because there was an attorney, an insurance person.
There are two kinds of trusts. There's what they call a revocable living trust, and there's what they call an irrevocable trust.
At the end of the day, the goal is to build financial wealth through your investments, right? To build your real estate portfolio.
What I would tell a person who's thinking about coming to the event is just do it. And the reason being is because the value that you get is incredible.
What I would say to anyone who's interested in real estate, that it would be real good for them to attend an event like this because it gives them an idea of where they should start and what to expect.